Alright guys, just a little video I'm gonna make here. Sometime checking for sounds, we have to look in all directions. This Honda CR-V, it has a terrible knocking at the back. I'm going to try and see if I could move it and see if we hear it. Alright, let's see how best I could. To do want to appear as if it's a rear strut mount giving that knocking, but it's not. After troubleshooting for some minutes, check the rear struts, they are new. I also remove the cover, this big metal bracket here from the rear strut mount, so I could check those bushing on top of it, the rubber, the strut mount rubber, and look in the corner here if I see any form of cuttings to show that there's signs of movement. I didn't see any of that, so while checking I didn't come across anything else until I said let me check these. And it is definitely the left side. Customer say it's a left side the sound is on, and I drove the vehicle. It is the left side. So guys, sometimes we have to expect the unexpected, because it would want to appear as if it was something underneath the vein of that sound, but it is actually the shock absorber for the trunk is giving off that vibration. So I'm gonna fit up the cover, tighten it, and take it off the lift. Wow, that was definitely an experience for me. I wasn't thinking along that line until I make all the checks. I said no, it has to be something at the back. I even took out the spare, removed everything from inside that compartment there, just to get the no excess noise around at the back. But I found what was causing the issue, so hopefully you could order those and get them and change them off. Alright guys, thanks again for watching, and please remember to like, share and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so whenever I post a video you will be instantly notified. Thanks again, peace out.